This amazes me all the time, again and again. So hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to a little room tour today. Really special, and this is one of the highlights. But let's start at the entrance. So welcome to the owner suite of the Westin Hamburg at the Elbphilharmonie. And this is the largest suite, 1,600 square feet. This is one of the entrances. And this space could be even bigger if you add additional rooms. So you have even the possibility. You have one powder room over here and one sitting or playing area over here and a comfortable seating area over here. We have floor-to-ceiling windows with a beautiful view, harbor view, city view. So let's continue to the dining room area, dining table, seating 6 people or even more. And this could also be used as a meeting room, so you can close up everything. And you have another entrance over here with a little powder room and even a kitchenette with a refrigerator. So you can definitely live here for a while also. So I would work on this table mainly and maybe do some in-room dining. I just love to have this opportunity. So let's continue in the main area, the living area. But if you want, like I told you, you can close up everything. I just love this. So come with me. This is another nice, comfortable seating area with beautiful views. Another powder room over there, another main entrance. The real main entrance for me is behind me, a huge mirror. A nice place to sit and work and have a harbor view. And here we are, floor-to-ceiling windows everywhere. And you have the sunrise over here, sunset over there. So you have the whole day sunshine, and also you wake up with the sunrise. This is so amazing if you just sit here, drink your first coffee and just watch the sunrise. I just love that. So you have this kind of bed in this corner thing in every floors. So this is one of the highest, well, it's the 19th floor, and this is always so amazing. So you can close up everything with curtains automatically, and also you have this little black dots at the mirrors to get a little bit protection for sunlight. Sometimes people think it's dirty, but well, it is a little bit right now, but it's more like the dots. So the bed is right in the middle, so you can walk behind the bed, which is a nice option. We have one entrance over here to the nice balcony, but before I show you this one in detail, follow me to the bathroom. But if you like, you can take a look at the wardrobe, so it's also very nice. Just a little corner for that. So we have the water closet over there and the shower over here. Nice one, regular, a nice bathtub with a nice view. I just love this kind of special ones. And you have this mirror, so if you brush your teeth, you also have this view, and this is just stunning. It will always be. It's way too sunny for Hamburg today, but I take that. So it's the perfect weather to have a balcony like this. And I guess I will enjoy the sunset later on this balcony. So it's a nice option, but it's the only one for hotel guests in this hotel. So it's kind of special, but you have some more at the wellness area. And of course you have this view also on the lower tiers, lower levels, but not with a balcony. You have these little windows you can open in some corners, but this is kind of special. Love that. So this hotel suite is $2,000 per night, and I think it's a lot, but you also get a lot of space. So you can let me know if you think that's a fair price for what you get, or if you wouldn't pay that. So are you up for more hotel rooms like this? So be sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a nice comment. I just love to read what you think. So take care everyone, and bye bye.